Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be dealing with a broken nail and I'll be using my Revlon Shape and Buff. It's going to be a real quick one. How many of you guys have experienced this? I know, we all have. And I normally don't show stuff like this. I mean, because, you know, you do it your way, you do it whatever way you do it. And I'm sure I'm going to, hear from somebody that I'm doing it wrong, but this is how I do it. Now, I typically never cut my nails with nail trimmers or anything. I normally just file them back. But this one was broken in such a way that I just didn't feel comfortable doing that. I thought I would cause more damage because it was split like halfway across the nail. And it goes past where my free edge starts. There's going to be like a little notch up into my nail. So we're just going to continue working on it, and you guys can give me your tips and tricks if you'd like. I just like to get it trimmed back as far as I can, and file anything that could catch on anything, and that's where my Revlon Shape and Buff is going to come in handy. Now, I've tried a lot of nail files over the years, and I love my glass file. I have several of them, and I do really like them. But sometimes you need like buffers and different grits and smoothing and, all that good stuff. And my Revlon Shape and Buff is like a ride or die thing. Got to where I couldn't find them in the store. I used to get them at Walmart. So I went online, I don't know, several years ago and bought a whole bunch of them. They last me a long time. I bet you I use one like over a year. And I mean, that's just, in conjunction with my glass files, but I think that's pretty good, pretty good longevity for a nail file. And I've tried ones that look just like it, but they're not, and they don't do as good, and they don't last as long. Now, I just keep breaking out my nippers here, trying to get a good angle, because I really do want all of it gone. I didn't want to patch it. I didn't want to put anything over it. And in fact, not too long after I did this, I just took all those nails back. All of them. I don't like patches. I don't like, I just didn't feel like messing with it, because every time I would change my manicure, I have to deal with this patch situation. But I love this Revlon Buff and Shape. It's got the black side right there that's sticking up. That's like the very most coarse side. And it's still quite gentle compared to some files out there. And then the white side where my thumb is right now, that's like the second step. But they've got these labeled on the sides 1, 2, 3, and 4. So they don't, I guess that's the shaping part. We'll get to the buffing here in a moment. Get my nippers back out because I'm still seeing a little bit of something over here on the side. Nip it in the bud. Just get it out of here. And to be honest, I wasn't even that upset about this because, it happens. It gets to where, you just got to do something about it. And today I'm sharing what I did. I know this isn't really an informative manicure or nail art design, but I figured I'd share it anyway. A little bit of little bitty short video. So there we go. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. And there's a swatch photo. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.